Field show performance Pop Rocks features music from 9-time Grammy Award nominee and Billboard Magazine's 2012 Woman of the Year, Katy Perry. This evening, the band begins with Firework, a #1 hit from her most recent album, Teenage Dream. The album, released in 2010, was the first album in history recorded by a female artist to have 5 #1 hits on the same record. The second album in history overall, behind Michael Jackson's Bad in 1987. The Watertown High School Marching Band is under the direction of Dwayne Robeson.
Well, I was right.
Featuring drum majors Sam Piasecki, Emily Ortega, and Jared Zavaner.